Hey everyone, Nate with 911 Rapid Response. Thanks for tuning in once again to our YouTube channel. Today's vehicle showcase, we have for you a Ford F-350 vehicle upfitted for the Swatara Fire and Rescue Department. So much thanks to this client as they are a return customer of ours. We'll start by going over aftermarket equipment that we have installed at the front of the vehicle. In the grille, we have 4 wheel and T-ions, which are red and amber. We've also got aftermarket headlight flasher active. So vehicle's currently in neutral with the park brake set, so we're able to get our white flashing functions out of the CENTCOM core system that we have installed. Our main piece of warning equipment is the Whelen Liberty 2 light bar. It's a 54-inch duo. We did remove the center 2 modules and in their place installed a strobe preemption device. We'll cruise around the side of the vehicle and go over some side warning that we have. As you can see, we have the Whelen Argus installed on the fender, which is currently in a sweep mode. So that will be active when in drive, and slide 3 is active. There is a button on the control head to manually override that. We've also surface mounted 2 Whelen T-ions above each wheel and a 5-lamp Wecan X duo tracer assembly at the running boards. And while we're here, we can take a look at the graphics package for Utility 91. Stripe running from the front to the back. Some departmental wording. Department logo and the 91 badge on the rear of the service body. On top of the side of the service body, we do have an Abrams work light. We've also got a Kuzma auto eject mounted here forward of the rear wheel. Take a look inside this compartment. We have some Streamlight hand lights mounted. We've also got water can fire extinguisher mounted. This body was provided by 911 Rapid Response. It's a Dakota body. Also installed aftermarket is this Pace Edwards roll-up cover. Along the sides, we've got some Technique rigid strip lighting installed for lighting in the bed. And we have our extendo bed, which we will get 110% extension out of, as you can see. On the rear of the body, we also have some more graphics, NFPA chevron on the sides of the body. We've also got the Utility 91 badge there. Whelen T-ion surface mounted, duo red amber and solo red. Go ahead and shut this down. And inside the vehicle, between the front 2 seats, we have a vehicle-specific Havas console. This is the 30-inch long wide console. Installed, we have the Whelen CENTCOM core control head, slide switch and rotary knob. 8 switches across the top to which we can program. We've also got our Argus spotlight control head, Xantrex inverter remote control, cup holders, and armrests. And we've also got a side-mounted pole there for tablet and keyboard mounting. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow on all of our social media outlets. And until next time, see you then.